How to set auto shutdown timer on PC and laptop. Now, in order for us to begin with this one, I'm just going to go ahead and basically right click this one right here, and then we're going to open run. And then from here, I want you to go ahead and just follow this command right here. So it's going to be shutdown as T, and then what you are going to do is enter here the number of seconds. Say for example 30 seconds, you are going to go ahead and enter here 30 seconds. Now what if, say for example, you want to do like 2 hours? Now in order for you to do that one, you are going to have to convert 2 hours into seconds. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and just basically type it here, 120 minutes or 2 hours to seconds. Alright, so it says here 7,200 seconds, then you can just go ahead and write here 7,200 seconds. So basically after 7,200 seconds, your PC is going to shut down. And yeah, from here, just go ahead and hit OK in order for this command to apply. And that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.